conduct the preamble. Ready to preamble. Ready. We the people of India. We the people of India. So willing. Resolve. To constitute. India. Into a sovereign. Socialist. Secular. I would like to call Rishikesh. Today's day and date.
Today's date 27 September 2024. Today's date Friday.
I would like to call Yash Raj. Today's present good thought.
Today's good thought, health is wealth.
I would like to call Atharva. Today's importance of the day. World Tourism Day. I like to call Pankaja. Today's news. Today's news. If the BJP governments come to power in Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan occupied Kashmir will join India. Yogi Adityanath. I would like to call Jnaneshwari. Today's moral story.
Name of the story: The Thirsty Crow. The crow was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there. At last he saw a pot of water, but there was very little water in pot. The crow thought of a plan. It collected some stones and put them into the one by one. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away. Thank you. Today's activity: opposite words.
I would like to call Vidya and Jnaneshwari. Say today's opposite words.
Up, up, down, down, down. Clean, clean, clean. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Happy, happy, happy. Sad, sad, sad. Good, good, good. Bad, bad,
I
bad.
would like to call Jnaneshwari. Say general knowledge question.
Is our national animal. Shuganga. Tiger. Correct answer. Which is our national game? Pandurang. Hockey. Correct answer. Which is our national flower? Arab. Lotus.